make appear. Take a photo, please. Oo nga daw.
And pahinga muna. Caleb, how's the hot dog? Sour?
Oh!
Look at the bird. And Santa Monica.
Dito may kind animal gawin. Ano true?
Caleb, bigyan mo ito. Bigyan mo sa kanya. Doon sa bucket.
What I say?
We just put it in the bucket here. I go with you. Yeah, put it in the bucket.
This way, yo.
Thank you. Thank you.
This way.
Yeah,
That's the big one.
big. Oh!
That's the big one.
Mr. Bubble. And Ice Cube. Kumain na dito sa Japa Dog. Si Aerosmith. Steven Tyler, Public Enemy. Dami, pati si Stone Cold Steve Austin. Vanessa Hudgens. Ayan, sikat to eh. Japa Dog. Ayan, kumuha kami ng number 6, hot and spicy. Japa Dog. Ay, ginagawa na. Okay. See how he puts the spice? Wagyu. That's authentic. Is there any way you could cut it or no? Is there any way you could cut it in half or no?
I give you a knife.
A knife? Okay. Alright. Caleb. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Ang famous Santa Monica Pier. Tayo. Malamig ngayon, malamig. Ito may binibenta lapupu. Lapupu. Okay. Elote. Okay, that's freshly cooked.
Share na lang kayo ni Caleb. Your stomach is hurting.
Tamale. See, he puts butter now. Butter. Butter.
Ang bango eh, no?
See, that's Mexican cheese.
That's good.
Queso.
Pero maliit lang.
You want the spicy too?
Yeah. mamaya mo nalinisin ng ano mo. That's okay, that's normal.
Yeah.
Chili powder?
Yes, sir. Chili powder. Chili powder.
Elote.
You want more butter or is that better?
Oh, you want?
That's it.
Ah, that's okay, sir. There you go.
Malaglag pa
Eh.
na ha. Thank
$10,
you.
right?
Hey,
Okay.
I'll get you some.
Thank you, sir. I can video. Caleb's eating elote.
At sa ganun ka ganun.
Thank you, Bob.
Have a good day.
You too. Ah. That's authentic.
Ayaw.
Mga lot. Touchdown LA. Dito tayo sa Santa Monica Pier. Kasama natin ang squad. Approach na tayo sa Santa Monica. Makulimlim. Ayun, kanyan. Saan tayo pupunta? Diretso na doon sa work? Ayun, kanyan. Daming tao ngayon kasi Sunday. Ito ang home of the Lakers. Ayun, naka-Lakers. Tayo naka-Warriors. Siyempre, Warriors pa rin. Wala, naka-long sleeve. Hindi mo na kay sign yung kanina. Kasi pa yung sign. Sabi nila, mainit. Ang lamig. Lamig dito. We are here. Hi.
Hello, say hi to Ate Aaron. I love it.
So we are officially in. Santa Monica. Para din para din sa Santa Cruz, pero mas okay dito kasi mas malaki hanggang doon. May mga rides din. Nagbayad kami ng $20 parking lot. Medyo naglakad kami ng mga 10 minutes. Ito mas malapit pala dito. Kaya lang dito punuan for sure. Ito kami. Ayan Double Pier. Bubba Gump. Yes. Nagaling kami rin. Ating lakad lang naman. Babagap. Nagkikang nakalambitin. Sa City Walk. Hindi tayo nakakita ng sushi kasi gusto kayo sushi. Dito sa Wasabi at City Walk. scenic view ng Universal Studios. So yun yung Super Mario. Yung Mario Land. Then nandiyan yung Mummy Returns, tsaka yung Transformers, galing kami dyan. Jurassic World, nandiyan din. Pero magagaling ka doon sa pinakamataas na yan. May escalator naman. So 4 na escalator para makababa ka. Ang ganda, ang galing na ganito. Escalator. So ano ka na nga 3 escalators in Jurassic World. Galing kami ron. And ito yung ng LA. Scenic view ng LA. So doon kami sa downtown nag-stay. Ngayon, pahinga muna. Ang daming tao, kasi mainit din. Meron naman nandito, ito, pag nainitan ka, may mist naman, mist. Ginagana rin ng air and water. Kaya subukan natin. Ito yung Fast and the Furious na roller coaster, hindi pa, ginagawa pa lang na process. So yun yung upper level. Sumakay na tayo kanina sa Harry Potter, sa Simpsons, tsaka yung tour, Universal Tour. City Walk, yung Sanrio, Harry Potter, ito yung Dodgers. Ayos, yun yung ano natin, kalaban ng ano yung Giants.
It's a big strobe line, pretty easy.
Yeah, take a
Difficult to
video
see
of
like
it.
this. We're not blocking on the sun.
It's gonna be
Sometimes
flood.
you see the rain on your phones. Speak your rain. Activate that.
It's gonna be wet.
Rain.
It's like that. You have rain.
Get him! It's
We get
over.
this rain by using a super high-tech, sophisticated system we call.
It's gonna be blood, but
As long as the sprinklers are above the camera sees, it looks pretty good. You'll see a lot of gaps between the sprinklers. That's just to show you it doesn't need to be everywhere to look like it's everywhere. Right? If you frame your camera in front of the rain, it looks like it's raining throughout the set. But I'll turn on all the sprinklers and get rid of those gaps.
Okay, there's water over there too. Oh, it's it.
Or not. I got this thing full blast on. I don't understand.
there!
That's weird. Alright, well, sorry. Oh my god!
Watch out, kill him!
Wait,
Never mind. I broke it.
wait. Funny. Oh, that's so sick.
We've been doing that same exact thing on the studio tours since 1960. It's the oldest standing attraction in the studio tour. Technicals is actually gone. This movie came out 50 years ago this summer. That's what John Gilman and Rick Moranis. But of course, I gotta talk about Fast and Furious, right? It's a franchise built around cars, one of the most successful in all history. And I love the Orange Julius. That's one that's in the first like drag race in the middle of the movie, or in the beginning of the movie, and then it shows back up in the middle. Plus, my buddy Bumblebee is out here as well. Now, I don't want to alarm anyone, but I'm just going to be honest with you. This next area is a little sketchy. There was a woman reported missing here a few days ago. Her name is Marion. And she was last seen checking into Cavalier Motel. Her name is Marion Crane. She drove an old white Ford that's also not there anymore. Do you know anything about Marion? He just took it.
Holy Laura.
Uh-oh. He's walking up. He's walking up. He's right next to her. He's like on top of her.
What's this?
That was almost a lot of paperwork I almost had to do. You know what? Norman's a little
Crash
busy.
landing.
He's a little upset. So let's just hang out in the backyard. Welcome to the massive 747 crash site from Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. A Paramount picture starring Tom Cruise, Dakota Fanning, and Johnson Chadwick. Y'all, that is a real 747. That did not crash, but was specifically destroyed by the crew for the movie. Now, You could have done this digitally, right? You could have had Tom Cruise and the actors walking in front of a few things on the ground with a big crash airplane on a green screen behind. But Steven Spielberg loves to give his actors something physical to react to. He's done it since the beginning. He continues.
Oh, no.
Doing that again. What's this?
Wala naman.
Remember on the Soundstage 50, one of the most unique soundstages on the property that allows your trains to drive into. You'll notice it's a subway station. This is built for a movie that needed a follow shot where you follow your actor from one location to the next. And they were following him from the street side above us into a subway train, and they use our train as a thread. Alright. Hopefully it's only last 50. That's a great example of crackling. Crackling means physically burning hammer. That's how we have to use stuff before we do it. Right? You gotta physically do your stunts. And that's a little bit safer than the actual crash of the train. Right? Because it's also yeah, that thing's huge.
Yeah, on this side. See the shark.
That's George.
There's a shark.
Uh-oh. He's in
There's a
there.
shark.
George? George? You okay? He's fine. Park next to these barrels of gas here right next to the train. Okay, we have a barrel of bait out there. It took the whole dog. It took the whole thing, didn't it? Wow. Okay, well, as long as it stays over there by George. Oh, wait, did it just... Uh-oh, ow! Ooh, that's warm. Okay, it's spreading. Glad I'm paying attention. Okay, everyone just remain seated. We're going to call the fire department. No, never mind. We're leaving right now. You're going to need a bigger train. Congratulations, everyone who survived Bruce the Shark. And I'm Bruce. Hey, I'm going to get the window. What's on my book? And feel free to take a picture and video, but turn off the flash. It just blinds every single person around. Welcome to Skull Land.
Madilim naman.
King Kong.
That was cool. That was really cool.
One of the largest video experiences on the planet.
So much spit.
Alright, well, we're not done with those 3D glasses for the rest of the touring up our studios because of it. We haven't had to do that, right? We've never sold land. We can still build more, and we still are. We got new sound stages over here to the left. That's where we're working on The Voice, season 28. The Voice is a hit local competition show, and season 2, first stop at the back portion of our tour today. If you want to see the outside of the hospital, it's just here. You see the ambulance bay and the emergency room. But across the street from that, with all the steps, is our Brownstone Street, which you may recognize as Bruce Almighty's home.
Bruce Almighty.
You see Jim Carrey run down the steps. Brownstone you may also recognize as New York City, and Home Alone 2, Lost in New York. Macaulay Culkin. Remember when Kevin goes to his uncle's brownstone apartment in the city, ends up with a roof, throws a brick.
Oh my God, you know yung stairs, huh? Remember the stairs? Take a picture of it.
So it's a good way to show you can change these to be it's the high school instead. That's what we can do. We can change this area to be what you need. In fact, Bel Air's been filming out here. You can see
Andyan tayo sa loob ng Krusty Land. Krusty Land Ride. Hindi namin alam kung ano yung ano. Naghihintay. Standby muna. Standby.
Oh,
Wait.
like myself. Taking extensive training course. Not wear facial hair. Enjoy yourself, but keep the screen down. I have a math test to study for. If I don't get a C, I get kicked out of the audio visual club.
I know how this works.
Parang ano lang, oga-oga.
I know how this ride goes. It's gonna become like. I thought the ride's gonna go.
At least we're safe.
Here we go. Here you go, Reaper.
Resist every temptation by blazing rubber.
Did beer hurt anybody?
You soiled your pants for the last time?
Uh-oh.
Well, thank you. I'm ready to do it.
Hey, that exit sign.
Alrighty, folks. Just a friendly reminder that there's no video recording or photography.
Ayan, it's a Krusty Land. We're here, Krusty Land, right? OG na taxi. We are inside. We're here at City Walk. On the way to Universal. Ayan, ito. Chocolate.
Look, it's you, that big ass.
Umiinit na. Kanina chill. Ayan ang OOTD natin. Naka PS2.
That was King Kong.
That's your favorite Kong.
That's not just a tree.
Yeah. And then the second floor there's food court. Oh, later we're going to eat there, ah. And Pink's. Yun ang Pink's hot dog. And Belle's favorite is sushi there.
Oh.
Sushi tempura. And may Hello Kitty store. Of course, yung Universal Studios. Dito tayo mga lord. Universal. Kasamang squad. Harry Potter.
I thought this was in the. I thought that.
Ayun na, lalakad tayo sa red carpet. Red carpet. Here we go, here we go.
Isang malaking alangan.
Ayan, dito tayo sa Universal Studios. We're here. Going down for real. Welcome to Universal. We're gonna meet the like this. Like a maze.
Fine, I'll do it on your phone.
Don't wake me up. I'm thinking. Run! Ayan si Marilyn Monroe. Ayan si Marilyn Monroe yung yung handprint niya. Sabi ito siya.
Ano ako ng print ko? Kuha na mo.
1953. Marilyn Monroe.
Eh, parati tayo nagpapapicture sa kanya eh.
love.
Paano ba yan? Ba't may footprint pa? ng-
Footprint and ano
Ah,
yan?
ganun yan, ganun?
Siguro.
Kaya sa
Here
longga.
at the historic
Yes,
TCL
ano
Chinese Theater, where hoodies are only $9.99.
Sasho.
That's right, hoodies and sweatshirts for only $9.99. This special will not last, so come and get your Los Angeles
Yun na si Elton John.
today.
Elton John. Si Jack Nicholson. Chick Billy Crystal. Si Bruce. Bruce Willis. Nagko-collect ng mga souvenir dito. Eh. Yung Oscar Award. Kaya nakalagay ano. California. Best Daddy. Best Doctor. Best Mom. Alright. Souvenir. Dito naman tayo sa Minions. Minions. Ay, nahin sila. Minions. Minions ride.
Testing. Greetings, recruits. Welcome to my all-mine crew. Master Villain, Scourge of Humanity.
Mamma Mia! Woo! Hi, Mario! Luigi! Luigi!
Yeah, this is the exit.
Bumblebee!
That line's gonna be over on that
Ayun yung
side. If you want to
Bumblebee.
watch it from... Yeah. You guys can come a little closer if you want over on this side.
Into what we Almighty call thirst. The enemy is formidable, highly motivated, and not easily to tell. But our task is
Ayan na. Mga Squid Games. Okay, we're gonna ride the Super Mario Kart.
And make sure your knees are together.
You got it? Alright. Okay.
Mario Kart!
Why are we not moving? There! Woo! Woo! Pabuksan na yung door. Ganito pala Mario Ride. Ang dami namin hanggang doon. Para mga para yung mga contestant lang sa Squid Game. Ayan, ganda na. Ganda. Ito yung door. Ito palang Mario Ride. Naghihintay kami nga magbukas yung door. Ayan, nagbukas na yung door.
Inside to the room, all spaces available. Come on in, right this way.
Ay, another way na. Parang Squid Game.
Once again, for those of you that are just entering, please move all the way up. Both sides of the
All
room.
the way up na naman.
Come on up. Come on up, guys. Everybody in the middle, please.
Alright, nandito tayo sa loob ng Super Mario. Super Mario the Ride. Yan yung tatawag dito. Si Princess. So, meron pang mga narito bombs. Ito yung mga pipes. Dito siya pumapasok. Ito yung lumalabas sa mga pipe eh. Ayan na. Malapit na tayo. Yan na mga lods, nakapasok tayo Universal Studios. Second day na to. Yung napunta tayo Monday, today is Wednesday. Dami pa rin tao. So today, subukan namin i-ride yung Jurassic Park, tsaka yung Mario Land, tsaka yung Transformers. Eh last time ang haba ng line dun eh. So unahin na namin yung Jurassic World. Sama natin ang squad again. Hindi na muna kami diretso na dun sa Jurassic World. Para mamaya chill na lang. Ayan silang Hello Kitty store. Meron din silang Hello Kitty bar. Nasa City Walk. Mga kids. What's your character? What's that?
Bowser.
Arger.
Bowser.
Isa si Yoshi. Ayun, taxi. Nagpa-picture tayo dito last time. Ngayon meron ng driver. Dati wala. Mas okay dito kaysa sa Great America. Mas maganda yung rito. Which is, sa bagay yung Great America naman iko-close na yun within 2 years. So magiging magiging part na lang sa Bay Area yung Gilroy Gardens. Ito, sinihan. Ay, si Shrek. That's Shrek. Haba ng line pagpapapicture ka kay Shrek. Shrek. Ito ginagawa pa lang yung Fast and the Furious na roller coaster. Hollywood Drift. 2026 pa mag-o-open. Pero ang daming obstacle niya, nakakita ko na yun. Dati ito yung sinakyan namin. Yung Harry Potter. Ang haba rin ng line dyan Ayan yung castle na mataas. Doon kami mataas na castle. Ngayon magandang ride yun. Kaya lang medyo mahaba yung pila. 45 minutes. Tsaka tong Simpsons. Yung Krusty Land. Sinakyan din namin yan. Ayun na, Simpsons The Ride. Krusty Land.
That was so
Ah? Ayan na.
Oh my God.
Here we go. Jurassic World. Huling-huli yun. Yun doon ka mababasa sa truck.
Top of the food chain stands the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep. You are clear for entry.
Okay, we're all clear. Where's the dinosaur? Unang basa. Dito pa lang, nabasa na. There's more! Daming masali na. Ayan, nasa kuweba na. Paano tayo sa kuweba? Medyo mamid mo lumalabas dyan.
Dinosaurs roam freely. Keep an eye out for the Parasaurolophus, who likes to splash around in the water. You may even see our new baby Stegosaurus, one of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family.
Baby. Ayun na! Babasaan na naman yan! Ito, sino to?